Have you ever wondered what it would be like to occupy someone's thoughts so completely that they can't shake you from their mind, even when you're apart? To ignite a spark of intrigue that keeps them coming back for more, like a mystery they can't resist unraveling? Welcome, mind detectives, to a journey into the most captivating realm of human behavior, the art of captivating a girl's thoughts. Today, we'll unlock the psychological keys that can transform you from a mere acquaintance to an irresistible enigma, a mental magician who leaves her fascinated and wanting more. But before we dive in, let's debunk a common misconception. This isn't about manipulation or mind control. It's about understanding the subtle nuances of human connection, mastering the art of genuine communication, and tapping into the desires that drive attraction. It's about becoming the most authentic, captivating version of yourself, leaving a lasting impression that lingers long after you've parted ways. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of irresistible charm, settle in, detectives. The game is afoot, and the mind is our playground. Let's begin. To captivate a girl's thoughts, we must first navigate the fascinating world of female psychology. Now, ladies, don't worry. I'm not about to stereotype or generalize. Every woman is a unique puzzle, but research reveals some common threads that weave through the female mind. Let's unravel a few. 1. The craving for connection. Women often prioritize emotional intimacy and meaningful relationships. They seek partners who can dive beneath surface-level conversations and explore the depths of their thoughts and feelings. 2. The desire to feel valued. Make her feel like the most captivating person in the room by noticing the details others miss. Appreciate her unique qualities, passions, and even her quirks. 3. The allure of mystery. Don't serve up your entire life story on a silver platter. Leave some intriguing gaps for her curiosity to fill. Let her unravel your layers over time, keeping her captivated by the anticipation. 4. The art of intriguing conversations. Master the art of asking open-ended questions that spark engaging discussions. Actively listen, validate her thoughts, and offer your own insightful perspectives. 5. Body language. The unspoken symphony. Maintain steady eye contact, signaling confidence and interest. Lean in slightly, demonstrating your attention. Smile genuinely, creating warmth and approachability. 6. Touch, the language of intimacy. A light touch on the arm or shoulder can create a spark of connection. But remember, consent is key. Read her signals and respect her boundaries. 7. Shared passions, shared bonds. Discover common interests that ignite your shared enthusiasm. Whether it's music, art, literature, or even a mutual love for sushi, shared passions create a sense of belonging and connection. 8. The power of vulnerability. Sharing vulnerabilities isn't weakness, it's courage. Open up about your own experiences, dreams, and even insecurities. It fosters trust, intimacy, and a sense of deep understanding. 9. Presence, the gift of undivided attention. Put away your phone, silence distractions, and immerse yourself in the moment with her. Make her feel like she's the only person in the universe who matters. Remember, mind detectives, these are just the tools in your mental toolbox. Use them ethically, authentically, and with the aim of building genuine connections. Be yourself, be respectful, and let your natural charm shine through. And who knows, with a sprinkle of psychological insight and a dash of genuine communication, you might just find yourself living rent-free in her head, the most captivating tenant one could imagine. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the female mind. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow detectives. Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and keep unlocking the mysteries of human behavior.